Hi, this is Rachel from RightStart. You had a question about day 13 of number sense. The first thing your child really does need to be pretty fluent with is using the abacus and the 2-5 strategy on the abacus. The fingers method really is working off of that. So let me just show you, if I have 8 plus 7, here I have 8 plus 7 on the abacus. When I'm using the abacus, I see a 10, but my eyes are really focusing on the yellow beads. I see I have all the 10. Okay, that's done. Here's what I call the leftovers. These are the extras. I can see I have 3 yellow beads here, 2 yellow beads there, making this 15, right? So really my eyes are only focusing on these beads, not these. Right? Let's do another one. If I have 6 plus 7, here I'm looking only at my yellow beads, which is 13. All right. So let's go back to the 8 plus 7. How does that work with my fingers? Well, if I ask you or your child to show 8 on their fingers, they're going to do something like this, right? I'm going to ignore, just like here, I'm going to ignore these 5. What do I have here? I have 3 fingers left over. My daughter thinks in 2 5s, and so she always sees these as the leftovers, which is why we call it the leftover. Why I call it the leftovers. All right. So if I were to show 7, here we have 7. I'm going to ignore this hand. I'm going to really focus in on this one. So if I have 8 plus 7, I have the 5 over here, right? Pretend. And I have the 3 left over and then the 2 left over for the 7, giving me 5 and then a 10. 10, 5, which is 15. Let's do another one. Let's do, 7 plus 6. Whoops, 7 plus 6. Here I'm focusing on the 3 yellow beads. If I'm doing it with my hands though, here's the 7. I'm going to ignore this hand. Here's the 6. I'm going to ignore this hand. So I have, this is my answer, which is 3 and a 10, which is 13. All right, one more. What if I have 9 plus 5? All right, well, 9 is this, right? So I'm going to ignore this hand. And 5, I have no leftovers. So my answer is 10 and a 4, which is 14. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Take care. Bye-bye.